boy. That patient room 102 was a pain in my butt last night.
So hard to manage.
Boy, that guy just needs to go already. I'm so over this.
When is to stay up? This doctor is such a pain in my. I can't even work with her. She's never doing any work and she's always shopping. Come blue, come blue, come blue. Come blue. Go, 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 go.
Oh my gosh! What do we do?
What do we do?
What do we do?
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know. In the moment, I feel like I'm actually pretty good under pressure. I feel like I, remained calm, remembered what my instructor said. I feel like I was really good in the moment.
Oh my gosh, she's dead for real. Oh my gosh, she's not breathing.
These doctors are incompetent. It'll be a miracle if I make it out alive.
What do we do with her? What's that CPR
What's
song?
that one song?
That one song.
It's by the Bee Gees.
It starts going
Okay, ready?
something with alive.
Say it alive.
You're doing it in the wrong place.
Say it alive.
Here, staying alive. Staying alive.
Oh, dang, she did it.
Staying alive. Staying alive. She's coming back. She's coming back. Staying alive.
She's flatlining.
She's flatlining again.
We gotta get her to another hospital.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, our paramedics had to go on paid leave, so I'll be the driver for today. Are we good? Here, get some oxygen. Okay, get in the ambulance. Get in there.
All right, let's do this thing.
My partner got a different call somewhere else, so I'm taking this one solo. Come on, buckle up. Ambulance A is headed east at 50 miles per hour and Ambulance B is traveling north at 60 miles per hour. How fast are they moving away from each other when Ambulance A is 3 miles away and Ambulance B is 4 miles away?
Okay, so on our problem, first we drew out a picture showing how Ambulance B is traveling north at 60 miles per hour, which is the rate of change, and Ambulance A is traveling 50 miles per hour, which is the rate of change for the X value. We know that Ambulance B is 4 miles away, as given by the problem, and Ambulance A is 3 miles away. Our unknown in this case is the hypotenuse, and in order to find that, we did Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We took our A value, which was 3, and squared it, our B value, which is 4, and squared it, to get 9 plus 16, and then when we did the square root, we found that the hypotenuse was equal to 5 miles. From there, we knew that we had to do the derivative to find the average rate of change between B and A, which is the hypotenuse. For the derivative, we used Pythagorean theorem, and we did power rule to get our formula, which is 2x times the change in x with respect to time, plus 2y times the change in y with respect to time, which equals 2z times the change in z with respect to time. When we plugged in our numbers, which is 2 times 3, which we're given as our x value, times the rate of change, plus 2 times 4, which is our y value, times this rate of change, we get 2 times 5, which is our hypotenuse, times the change in z over with respect to t, because that's what we're trying to solve for in the original problem. Doing calculations, we get that 300 plus 480 equals 10 times the change in z with respect to time. We get 780 divided by 10 will be our change in z with respect to time. And we're after doing calculations, our answer is 78 miles per hour, which is the change in Z with respect to time. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I felt really good about today. I mean, I remained calm like I do in every situation. Calm, cool, and collected is just like my mantra. And I don't know, I feel like I did really good. You know, my patient was flatlining. I took the steps necessary to make sure they were good. I you know, acted with perfection and ease. I really feel like I'm a master at my profession.
Is this rolling right now? After taking up that role of being an ambulance driver for a couple hours, man, I think professional semi-truck driving would be right up my alley. That way, I don't have to transport live cargo either.
Okay, so after that scene at the hospital, you know, we really just want to know, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling great. After recovering at a different facility, I was able to get the treatment I needed. I'm alive, and that's all that matters. I can't talk about, you know, what happened. You can discuss that with my attorneys, but I'm feeling better.
She did for real. Oh my god.
You really yanked me up!
Back up! Back up!